departure time.
Sorry, I have a lead on my.
Guess you can't find his glasses.
I think I left him at work. The glasses were found there at the office. Do you think this will fit in the parking garage?
No. You're gonna have to park next door. What was that?
That was the door not being latched.
Okay.
We're doing all the typical stuff.
Usually I have to get it. I can actually kind of reach for my seat.
We've got that new gas strut on there, so now if it comes swinging open, it does it with gusto.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, you know what I just thought of?
What did you just think of?
We don't have any water.
We have a quarter of a tank.
Oh, we do? Okay.
What's something?
Something in that cabinet.
Oh, I put round things that might roll up there, and they are doing what I thought they might.
Okay, well when we get to the office, I can rearrange that cabinet.
I'm looking over there, Mom.
Plenty of room.
Okay. Let's put her in first. I guess I put her in first. Please don't slide down the hill. You really have to, like, use all the lanes. We'll wait for a chance. Otherwise, I'll clip the mailbox.
Got him?
Got him. I can see. I could see before. I can see marginally better now. Rig's revved.
Okay.
That's the gas pedal.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
You guys with your matching shirts are so cute.
We look like one of those silly travel families that gets a themed thing.
Bye-bye to our favorite local propane place. I guess
it's like the family name.
The only local propane place that we're like aware of.
That does stationary tank
That
fills.
does ours, yeah.
It's called like Johnson's Storage and Propane Emporium.
Emporium.
Very Hank Hill.
Yes. After lunchtime. It's 1:30. We stopped to get gas.
We ran them out of gas.
They ran out of gas. We got, what, $16?
$16.
Worth of gas, which in the RV is not very much gas. We haven't really had lunch, so Henry's got some goldfish and cucumber. I cut this cucumber that my mom grew in her garden. And we're like in Oklahoma somewhere, so that's all day. It's just Oklahoma, and then I think we just popped right over the border to Kansas for our harvest boat.
We're in Canton, Oklahoma, in a park with no parking lot. We found this park, but we found this like back road, and we're just hidden back here behind these houses. We got a little private spot. There's a playground. We've still got 3 hours to our destination. We've been on the road, I don't know, a long time. It's 4 o'clock right now. We left at like 10 a.m. So it's a long haul day. We're gonna stretch our legs though. We're leaving Canton, Oklahoma. Next stop, Liberal, Kansas. Paige is leaving a 5-star review on our park experience on Google. 2 hours and 50 minutes left, fam. Let's do this. driving down some Oklahoma highway. Paige yells out from the back seat, "What's that sound?" I was like, "What sound? I don't hear a sound." And I looked out my mirror just in time to see our generator exhaust pipe go flying down the road in the other lane. It had, I don't know, it came loose and was dragging the ground. I didn't catch anything. It was a super flat road, but maybe it was just so bumpy it wiggled loose. I don't know. So, no air conditioner tonight, everybody. I think I can stop at a muffler shop somewhere and maybe get one put together. Well, that's where it used to hang. Roads maintained by another state.
Oh yeah.
That's so much better.
This state is kind of a cheaty one because we're not really spending time in Kansas. We just have this harvest host that's just over the border.
Right here, the town of Liberal.
In Liberal.
Everybody was hungry, and so we didn't document the parking at the harvest host. But we're here. You can see the runway lights at the airport.
Park, heat up food immediately. Everyone eats.
I'm gonna make something from a different.
This kid's going Lego crazy. New Lego set just for this trip, for maximum entertainment. He's upgraded from Duplos. They're too damn big for the RV.
That thing.
What is that thing? You gonna make a jet ski? It's a jet ski. That's cool.
Yes, I
I
want.
see this part right here.
Is that on the jet ski?
Yeah, it's the very first thing. Anyway, that's it. We'll give you a tour in the morning after we all get some rest. It's a long day.
I slept all day and I'm still exhausted.
Nothing in the black thing.
Do it. My God, it's so nice, you guys. It's like 68 degrees. We just got the windows open, the fan on. It's amazing. We were awakened by the sound of a jet engine. He's going down for takeoff. You gonna watch him take off, Henry?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go out there. Look, look, look.
I just saw like a little thing just floating to the air.
It's a little bit of jet. Ooh, it's chilly out here. I like it. Alright, go back in there. I'm gonna close this door.
We're leaving this air museum. We didn't actually go into the air museum.
Yeah, they're not open yet, and we got places to be.
Yeah, we got in late and we're leaving early. We're headed to Taos.
Headed to Taos. 5 hours to Taos.
We're in Hooker, Oklahoma, and they don't just like have a chill name. It's on everything. It's like Hooker High School, Hooker Tree Value.
Hooker Tree Value. We just passed by the Hooker Motel.
Like at home, it's not like Fayetteville, Walmart,
Nope.
Fayetteville, whatever.
Yeah.
But these people are.
They're living that hooker life.
Yeah.
I could not believe the Hooker Motel. That was a bit. That's the part where it's like, you know.
Yeah, name it something else.
You know what you're doing.
Take you home with me. I wanna make a move, but I'm too shy. I can't fall asleep without your arms around me. I guess I'm falling in love.
Again?
Yeah.
Big?
Big old fifth wheel.
Yep. It's got water on the back and air conditioning on the top like ours.
Yeah.
Just like ours.
We are in Springer, New Mexico, at the Santa Fe Trail Museum. 2 hours to Taos. Having a snack break. Parked curbside. It's pretty nice, actually. And here's the museum. It's like an old church, it looks like. Food time.
2 feet down on the floor. I wanna do is take you home with me. Wanna make a move, I wanna make a move, but I'm too shy.
The museum was closed.
Yeah, but still a very nice place for a picnic.
We picnicked, we swung.
Henry
We
didn't
slid.
eat. He never eats when we
No,
stop.
he can eat in the car though. This was for us. Dad needed to stretch his legs. I'm just gonna check and see if there's anything dangling under the RV from all that bouncing.
You're just like my sport car, driving fast to go far. When I'm sitting by you, we get high. Baby, you're my rock star, smashing all my guitars. One day I will charge you for breaking my heart. You're just like my sport car, driving fast to go far.
Oh my gosh. Can you see that, Henry?
We would meet, we would laugh, love, and lie down.
It looks tight. Yeah. Usually I'm like filming the scenery and I'm like, I don't know if you'll see that on the camera, but this is like, yeah,
Okay,
definitely.
that's in frame.
That's the rocks.
Say we would talk, we would search for words to share what we see on speed.
We just stopped at a little natural food store to stock up on some groceries. We were totally out of eggs, and so we should be good for a few days. And now we're headed to our campground, little RV park in Taos.
It's cute. It reminds me a lot of Santa Fe. We're taking a back way home, which would be like the bike route out. 5.5 miles per hour. The way they're gonna let us in. Look nice. Yeah, none of us want to be. We've
Let's
all
all
been
get
in here
out.
for 14 hours.
2 days! Oh my gosh! Everyone's going a little stir crazy. Stir.
Stir 'em up.
Alright, Henry, let's get out. Let's see what this is all about.
Like it.